Ella friends, learn how I make the most delicious Greek-inspired flat iron Wagyu with homemade tzatziki, pizza bread, and it's gonna be absolutely scrumptious. Friends, today we're taking our primals that we sell. They're normally between 1.5 and 3 kilos, and we're actually gonna cut this up and make delicious souvlaki on the braai with the rotisserie. When we sell primals, this is the size that you get, and this is an 8 to 9 marbling. Look how delicious this looks. It looks absolutely incredible. The flavor is gonna be amazing. Look at this marbling, how delicious that looks. It's absolutely incredible. This is a flat iron primal that we got. We're gonna cut it up and we're gonna make it into Greek souvlaki, and it's gonna be absolutely delicious on pizza bread with tzatziki, onion. It's gonna be incredible. A flat iron is known for having the fibers go across, which you can clearly see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut against the grain to start, because it makes it softer when we actually cooking and when we're eating, because we're gonna eat it with the grain, and it's gonna just be much more tender because we're gonna go through those fibers. Let's look at this incredible piece of meat. The intramuscular fat is insane. Look how nicely marbled this is. The intramuscular fat just gives flavor, tenderness, and it really does create the most delicious bite of mostly any meat we can get in South Africa. If you have not tried a flat iron Wagyu steak or Wagyu meat, you really should give it a go. It's juicy, it's scrumptious, it's tender, and it is absolutely the biggest burst of flavor that you can have in your mouth eating meat. I'm gonna start cubing this up and we can get it spiced and ready for the braai. It's time to spice this Wagyu. I'm gonna start with olive oil, adding some chopped garlic, some salt, some lemon pepper, a little bit of aromats. Just gonna give this a mix and get all those flavors incorporated into the meat. I'm just gonna add a little bit of oregano into the mix. 1 whole lemon. And just get this mixed up lastly. Now that my meat is nicely marinated, I'm gonna put it in the fridge and leave it for an hour while I go get my fire ready. My meat, she's looking gorgeous, so it's time to put on the souvla. Time to put my rotisserie on. I'm doing indirect heat, so it's nice and tender, and this will take about an hour. I'm starting to make my homemade tzatziki, so I'm gonna start by grating some cucumber. As you've seen when I previously made tzatziki, the secret with the cucumber is to get all the liquid out. So you put it in any kind of cloth and you drain the water like so. This is the liquid that's left from the cucumber that we don't want, because otherwise the tzatziki will be runny. And this is the cucumber that we want, and it looks nice without any of the liquid in it. My tzatziki is simple. Use your favorite Greek yogurt and start with that. Just add a tiny bit of garlic. I'm gonna add the strained cucumber. I'm using Auntie Colleen's Greek lemon. I'm adding some Greek oregano. I'm adding a little bit of salt. And lastly, some black pepper. I'm gonna give this a mix and my wonderful homemade tzatziki is ready. I will take a bet that my homemade tzatziki is better than any tzatziki that you can buy in any shop, 100%. Let's go make souvlaki. I've taken my Wagyu off. It's been resting for 15 minutes. It's smelling gorgeous. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna make my pizza and start eating. My whole family is waiting and we're ready to dig in. This is smelling absolutely delicious. I just want to show you medium, like we like it for souvlaki. Look how juicy that looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna start off with some tzatziki. I'm gonna add some red onion. And lastly, some Wagyu steak. Friends, I've got my non-traditional fat Greek Wagyu flat iron delicious souvlaki here. It's gonna be absolutely yummy. I can't wait to taste it. Cheers, everybody. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. It's gonna look so good. Cheers, everybody. Friends, this was absolutely incredible. It was just the way I thought it would be. If you haven't tasted a flat iron Wagyu steak, be sure to try it out. Check the links in the description below and you can contact us and order all the Wagyu that we use. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, everybody, and don't forget, keep on cooking, you beautiful people.